Hello guys, I hope everyone is fine, and today we will do exam based question for GCSE, and we will use a circle property which we haven't done before. So the questions say that in exam they will say using a circle find the value of x. First of all, we will draw a circle, and just like in here they said that this is a circle, right? And as you know that in here they has given two chord. What is a chord? Chord is a note. If I draw another circle and then I can explain you, the chord is just like in here. This is called a center point, and this is called a radius, and this is called a diameter. Anything else except the center of the circle, the diameter, except that, if anything, the lines cut it like that shapes, these all are called chords of a circle. So now in here, when the questions giving, they has gave two chords in here. The first chord is given, this is known a half circle, and that's the second chord has been a given. So now they are asking, can you find out the value of x? And this is a chord, and then angle is given, which is 120 degrees given in here, and here is given 50 degree. So now we need to find out x angle. So now you can see here, this thing, this little part is called an arc of a circle, like that. That thing is called an arc, and this is also an arc, and these two lines are joining, the chords are joining, is called intersecting point. Intersecting point. Just like say if two line intersects, so intersecting angles, they must be equal. Sometimes they ask you this angle or that angle, they must be are similar, same angles. So if you find a one angle, then obviously that means the other angle also gonna be like that. So now before finding that one, there is a property we have to remember in our mind, and then I can write down the property of that one, the property of that value circle, because that's the intersecting point in here. I can say that an angle formed, because you know that this is one angle, and angle formed by two chords. These are the chord. This is first chord, this is second chord. The second chord, I can say that this is called a chord, and this is also a called a chord. Two chords. Yeah, this is an angle formed by two chords that intersect, because this is intersecting point, because that's intersecting, they are cutting or overlapping each other. Intersecting inside the circle, because that's intersecting inside, not outside. So inside. So that's thing, they are in inside the circle. When you finding an angle is equal to half of the sum of what is the sum of arcs? How many arcs? We have two arcs outside. Half of the sum of the measure of the measures, because from here to here this is 50 and here to here this is measurement is 120 degree. So when they are asking, then you must know that an angle formed by two chords that intersecting at that point inside the circle is equal to half of the sum of measures of the intersected arcs. Measure of the intersected arc. This is intersected arc. This is the definition of that. So now we will prove it. How to find out the value of x. So in here we need to find out x. So x degree equal to half of the sum. What is the sums of arcs? 50 degree and 120 degree. When you find out, that becomes 170 degree and half, right? So when you half it, that becomes 85 degree. So the value of x is 85 degree. So we already found the value of x. So I can say that, so x is 85 degrees. So x degree is equal to 85 degree. So this is the proof of that question. So you need to remember that definition. If you know the definition, then any type of question comes, you can solve easily. Just like if you draw any different angles or different arcs, so easily you can find out the value of the angles. They could be angle of that side, or could be angle of that side, or could be angle of that side, or could be angle of that side. If they are using find out the angle of that side or that side, then they must have given this arc and this arc. If they say that, can you find out the angle of that one? Y. And the given in here, this is 100, and we can say that that's more, yeah, so that's the 170 degree, for example. And this is, we can say that that is 60 degree. Can you find out now the value of that? So again, same thing, you need to add values and you divide by 2, you will get the value of y, or this side or that side, or this is xx and yy. So we can generate more question out of that one question. So that was the exam based question. So I hope you like the video and you understand, and if you need any help in these kind of question, please feel free to write down in the comments. Thank you.